So today our agenda is Java introduction and Java futures, uses of Java and JDK, JRE, JVM, and then installation of Java and IDE, and then finally how this Java code is executing. So this is today's our agenda. So already I have PPT, I will show you that one. So actually we are providing training from this platform, Global Neochain Solutions Private Limited, which is our multinational company. So it is near to Children's Park area, I think Aditya Degree College there. So this is our company logo, Global Neochain. So next thing, so Java introduction. Already many of you have from the programming background. I think you are in, some people are in artificial intelligence, some people are studying CSC from BTech, and some people have MCA background. Some of you have BSc background. Say, so I can say all these people know what is Java. I think Java is a programming language. Those people who are not from the computers background, you can listen now, and you will aware what is Java like. So actually, Java is a high-level object-oriented platform independent programming language. So why we need this? So why we need Java? Because of to develop our web applications or enterprise applications. So for example, you are using one simple application like a calculator. So that is not required any internet. You can work without using internet support. So that is also developed by using Java only. We can develop by using many other language, but why Java is so popular means because of this philosophy. So we can write a Java program and we can execute in any other operating systems. For example, Windows, Macs, Linux. So previously we have C, C++. This is the enhancement, updation of the C, C++. So they introduced this platform independent programming language. It is famous because of write once, run anywhere. So it will support multiple platforms. And we can check the history of Java, how the Java was developed and who is developed. So he is the James Gosling, his name. He and his team started development initially in the year of 1991, and they released first version Java alpha beta version in the year 1995, and lateral they introduced Java 1.0. So JDK 1.0 they introduced in the 1996. Now every two years or 1 year they are introducing new features. So they are adding, like how in the Play Store they are updating apps, right, with new features. Like that they are adding some features and they are releasing. So I think now currently Java 26 is going on. So JDK 26. And also this James Gosling and his team was developed under the Sun microsystem. So like how we have now Global Neochain, it's one of the company, right? This is also Sun microsystem also is one of the company. James Gosling and his team developed under this company, and they released Java into the market in the year 1995, and then that is the alpha beta version. So finally they released JDK1. From there we have many versions. as we discussed earlier. And then later what happened in the year 2010, this Oracle company, this is also one of the top MNC company. This Oracle company acquired this Java under the Sun Microsystem. They acquired, and now these guys are developing Java. And also, why we need this Java means already we discussed it to develop the applications. So I will go next slide. So up to here, do you have any doubts? Everyone clear, right? What is Java? So our sessions will be mostly we will focus on practical. Theory you have to learn. We will provide some documents. Based on that you can learn, and you can search in Google or anywhere. You will get some more concepts there. We will mostly focus so coding part, because once our training will be, you have to attend interviews and you have to work in the real time. So in once you got job in any company, you have to work there. So like that we will plan our training. So next thing, we have features, Java features. Someone is, so you can also admit who is joining. So here you can see, here we have many features in Java. The first thing is, it's a very simple. Simple means when compared to C, C++, its syntax is very simple. So we can easily understand how we are going to write our code. We can easily understand. And the next one is object oriented. Object oriented means, so everything we are going to define our programming with the help of real world objects. So we will discuss this object oriented concepts in the upcoming classes. So we have separate concept called oops. That time we will discuss more on this. As of now, object means a real world entity. You can understand it's an real world entity. And then portable. Portable means, as we discussed earlier, it is a platform independent. Once we written our source code, we can execute in other operating systems as well. For example, Windows. So now my system is Windows. Someone using Mac, someone using Linux operating system means it will also, there also it will execute. So these two belongs to that features only, portable and platform independent. And secured. Secured means it is have some inbuilt secured functionality. For example, we have some access modifiers. So the access modifiers means we will have the scope. So this program will access up to this level only. And also so many security functionalities are there in Java. It is not a, I mean, hackers cannot easily hack this one. So it is have so many security features, authentication functionalities it is have. For example, if you want to log in any website, you need username and password, right? Similarly, internally, Java is providing all these features for us. And also architecture neutral. Architecture neutral means, as we discussed earlier, it will work in many platforms. So this architecture, those things also we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. And the next, interpreted. Interpreted means, so this concepts will comes in JDK, JVM, JRE. There we will explain. But as of now, I will give one overview on this. So interpreted means interpreted. It is meaning means, once you are writing your Java code, it is the, we can call it as a source code. So source code, it is going to convert into bytecode. So this bytecode only machine can able to understand. Our system can able to understand. So that conversion it will take care by this interpreted. So we have that one, how this Java code is executing. There also we can discuss. So one by one, these all topics are interlinked. So high performance when compared to C, C++, its applications are Java applications are very high perform applications. This one also we can see. So all these concepts are interconnecting. So this here we are just introducing what is Java. Java is a programming language and what are the features of the Java and multi-threaded. So this Java will support a multi-threading environment. Multi-threading means we can divide our task into smaller parts. For example, you have any occasion. So what you will do? Single persons cannot do right all work. Some peoples will take some work. Some peoples have some work. So you will distribute that work. Already you know right how the functions is going on. So you will distribute and you can able to finally achieve that whatever you are expecting output. So similarly, it will support multi-threading in Java also. We can divide our task into smaller parts. Then we can achieve that output. So this is distributed means. So we can connect with many networks. So we have concepts called API concepts. That is in the advanced concepts which will come. So Java will support this distributed environments. We can distribute our Java coding into many things and also dynamic. So dynamic means it will support this robust environment. Those things it will have some powerful features. So these are the features of the Java. Don't worry, as of now, you can just remember. If you not able to understand, I am sure that finally you can able to understand all these features once we are teaching upcoming sessions. Then you can able to understand all these features. And the next topic is use cases of Java, where Java is using. I hope currently some 3 million devices are using Java as of now in the world, overall the world. So here some of the use cases are web development. Web development means, for example, you are using Amazon, Flipkart, all these are e-commerce applications. So here we have client and server interaction. So client means you are using from your mobile or system. You are ordering something. So you are the client. Server means that website was developed by some other company. So you are utilizing their things. So this is the web development application. So Java will support these types of applications as well as enterprise applications. Enterprise applications means banking applications. So it's like a private one. So banking applications, no one will have access, right? Internally, they are going to maintain. For example, hospital applications. So internally, they will maintain. So web applications means some applications. So they are releasing into market and users are going to use that application means those application we will call it as a web applications. Enterprise applications means internally that organizations are going to maintain banking or hospitals, some other. So it's like a private applications. So Java will support all these applications and also mobile applications. So all these gaming applications, mobile applications, everything will Java support. So desktop applications, already we discussed it, right? In our system also, without accessing internet, we can use right desktop application, notepad, calculators, those things. And also Java is using in scientific and research applications as well. And also big data technologies. Big data technologies means, for example, you people are using social media apps, right? Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, those things. So some millions of data we have in that Instagram. So many users are using. So everyday data is growing. Where this data is going to store? Even in cloud or these big data technologies. These are the platform they are providing. This cloud, big data technologies, they are providing to store the data. So we have Google Drives, all this, right? Everything storing in the cloud. So these applications also developed by using Java. And also embedded system. Embedded system means this IoT devices. So in this also Java is using, and cloud computing, as already you know. I think nowadays it's a very famous technologies, cloud computing, because all our information we are storing in cloud only. So these are the few use cases. So everyone are able to understand, right? So you have any doubt, Shahid? So this is, these three topics are introduction about Java, and now we are going to discuss about this JDK. So now we are going to enter into Java. You have any doubt, Shahid? Unmute yourself and you can ask. No doubt. So everyone, please be interactive. Then I can know you are listening. If no doubt means we can continue. Yeah, fine. And next thing is JDK. So here you can see here JDK means Java Development Kit. Next we are going to install this one only, Java Development Kit. Just I will write here. Java Development Kit. Then we have JRE. So JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Next we have JDK JRE JVM. Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. So JDK is nothing but a Java Development Kit, and then JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, and JRE Java Runtime Environment. So what is meaning by JDK? So JDK is the, it is a complete package of our Java. So it contains a development tools, and it also contains this JRE and JVM. So if you take one diagram here, we will have one diagram. So if you take this one as a JDK means inside we have JRE, then again inside we have
Jeffrey, this is Sagar.
yeah, hi Sagar.
Yeah, some students came to office to listen the classes in my laptop, but the thing is, your screen is not visible. Can you stop and again share the screen?
Okay, for everyone same.
No, no,
No,
no.
it is good. It is good.
For some persons, it is showing. It's better to stop and share again.
Okay, I will share again. Now, Sagar, can you confirm?
No, I think it's loading. I will leave and I will again join.
Okay, Sagar. Thank you for highlighting.
Yeah, yeah, now it's showing. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Yeah, thank you, Sagar. So you can see here. So if you consider this is the JDK means it will contains development tools plus JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. And then we have this JVM. This JVM is the heart of our the Java applications. So by using this JVM only, we are going to convert into our code into bytecode, and also this is only it will achieve that platform independent philosophy. So write once, run anywhere. So these things we are explaining very high level. Once we are completing our or in between also, I will explain very deeply. This contains so many things because we should aware on this. In this concepts also we will get some of the interview questions as well. As of now, if I explain everything means you cannot able to understand. Just I am explaining high level. As of now, you can consider JDK is the Java development kit. It contains a set of libraries. Why these libraries means to execute our Java program, we need some libraries. So that is already developed by this Java team, and we are going to use those things. So that contains a JDK and also this JRE runtime environment means we are going to execute our program, right? So that time we need one environment. So this JDK inside we have this environment, and inside the JRE we have JVM virtual machine. This is the responsible for that converting source code into bytecode. As of now, you can understand this one. So in this we have more topics. All are important topics only. We will discuss in the upcoming classes. And then next, so this up to here we completed. Then this topic we need to cover means we need this IDE and Java development kit. So we will create one Java first program, then we can execute. Before that, I will guide you. So everyone have laptops, right? So laptops are mandatory because we are going to work mostly on practical way only. Theory we will provide document and we will explain. Then you can read those things and you can practice the programs. So everyone, I will share this link in the chart. First install this. Just or you can type install Java or JDK. I will send you that link. So I mentioned right previously, Oracle is acquired Java, so you can use this website. And you can see here, current version is the Java 26. And I think until September. So JDK 27 also they are planning in this year also. So you can check your what is your operating system, Linux or Mac or Windows. Based on that you can download. I will share this one link in the chat. Everyone open this link. Please complete this installation because we are going to work with the IDE only. So we need this Java. Yeah, Eclipse only. Next, first we will install this JDK. Then we are going to install Eclipse. So complete your installation. So just click this one here, exe.exe one. If you are using Windows means this one, select this one, x64 installer. Can someone can share the screen? Then if people also aware. So just click this one and it is going to download. So already I have installed Java 8 and Java 19 and Java 11. I think I have. So I will. So you can see here from this PC you can select and local disk C disk. You can. Then we have this programming file folder. Inside we have Java folder. Here it will download. Once you start downloading here, still it is downloading, right? It will download in that path. So here we have some stable versions. For example, Java 8 is the stable version. And next we have Java 11 is the stable version. Then Java 17, Java 21 is the stable versions. Remaining means it will support, but when compared to this stable version, that much stability will not be there for remaining versions. Mostly companies will use latest means Java JDK 21, and few people old applications means Java 1.8, and few are using Java 11. So Java 11 have some advanced concepts, Jakarta related. So those things we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. Everyone completed, right? This download. So please complete your download. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Once you are downloaded, you can see here, it will download here. Just click this one. Just click yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
If you will not download and install JDK, so what will happen? I think the
No,
our
we need that Java libraries, right? As we discussed, JDK have Java libraries, so we need to install this to work with Java. We need this. It's a
okay.
basement.
So
Like for
only
example,
JDK.
You want to order in the Amazon means you need that application, right? Amazon application.
Yes.
Without installing, you cannot order, right? So the similar way, if you want to work with Java, we need to install this.
Even though Eclipse is also there, but JDK is mandate to.
Eclipse is a IDE, so we can write our program there. Without using Eclipse also, we can write with the help of Notepad.
Okay.
But it will have some features. IDE. That IDE also developed by using this Java only. Eclipse
Yeah,
IDE.
yeah,
So we have this compiler. We have to execute our program means it will provide some advanced features instead of going with the Java commands. So we have few commands, right? Java version to check Java installed or not in our system, and Java compiler to compile our code. Then if you want to execute our file means Java, that class name we have to provide. Instead of all these commands, we are going to execute in command prompt. This ID they are providing. So we have some architecture, right? We have to follow some package. First, we have to create one project, then class package. Then inside the package, we have to create class. So everything these IDs are providing. If you want to do all these things manually, means it will take more time. So we can develop
yeah,
in Notepad also, Notepad plus plus also. Just we have to after having this file, just we have to save .java file. By using this .java file, we can execute in command prompt also.
yeah. Okay. So our Java files will manage in Eclipse ID. So it will all the libraries will manage to JDK.
Yes, to execute that program, so we need this.
Yeah. Okay.
So everyone complete this one. Our first in first class itself, you can complete it means. So tomorrow onwards, we can work in Eclipse. So you can see here steps also. Can anyone confirm completed? Huh?
Yes, completed.
So just open here command prompt and you check if it is not available means just give Java hyphen version. If here you are not getting means we have environment variables there we have to edit. So edit the system environment variables. Here we have to provide just you can click edit option and this path is this one. So once you reached here your install right latest version you can copy this path and here you can provide you edit and provide here or if your Java home is not available means you can create a new one here. So just I will send this one also in chat. Which version you are downloading? JDK 26 or 21? So 21 is the shareable one. So you can download this one. So previously I did write this one. Now it is coming. So you can see here C program files Java JDK. Now it is installing. So to install Java 1.8, we should have account in Oracle. Now I will check here. Java. See, you can see here JDK 26 was installed in my system. I want to share these things right in the environment variables. Wait. Then Java underscore home. So please complete your installations. Without this, you cannot proceed further. Just you can type this command also once you're done. And once you completed, please share the screenshots in the chat itself. Can I explain again this one, environment variable?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, new,
Yes, sir.
you can, yeah, I will show you from the first. Just click here in the search and you can type environment variable. You can get this option, edit the system environment variable. Just to open, select and open this one. The next step is environment variable. Click here, then new. So that variable name is Java underscore home, and variable value is, from here you can go to this path, this PC, local disk C, program files, Java, JDK. Already you downloaded, right? This one you can open and you can copy this path. Just you click here, Control A, Control C, copy, and you can add in the variable value here. So here Java underscore home. Clear, right? Those who already installed, you can check what is your Java version. No problem. We are going to work with basic program only. It will support. So later we will work with advanced concepts. So please confirm. Please share your screenshot also in the chat. So like this. Everyone know, right, how to take the screenshot? So yeah, you can see few of them placing. So you have any doubts, sir? Remaining people, sir, you can clarify how to install this Java, those things. Already I explained. If you have still doubts, you can ask. No problem. So Mohammed Rafi Zahir completed. For screenshots, shortcut is Windows Shift S. If you press Windows Shift S, you will get this one plus symbol. Then you can drag right this left click, you can drag. Everyone completed? Please confirm. Then we can install Eclipse as well. Those who are all completed, I will share this Eclipse link as well. Someone please mute. Oh, Jamir Ahmad, I think, where are you? So you can see here, this is the Eclipse. You can open this website. I will share this link. Everyone using Windows only, right? Anyone using Mac or Linux? So this is for to download the Eclipse link. So here also same, open that link and click this one 84 by 64. Then we can, once download completed, we are going to install that one. That time you can select this one, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Then click install. So this is this one. So you can see here this download button, you can click. Already I installed. I will open Eclipse. Just you can type here in the search. Sagar, if you are in office, you can help those people as well. So here you don't need to change. You can select the default one. So default, this is the default. It will provide in under the C, and your username name will be the Eclipse workspace. You can just select this one only. So your batch is me. Why I am using in different disk means in C I don't have space. If you don't have space, you can also use other disk. Once you installed, that option will be there. So you don't need to change your path. You can use existing path only in the C folder itself. You can use that default Eclipse workspace. So here you will get like this. So ID for enterprise Java and web developers. I mentioned, right? You have to select this one while installing time. You will get some checkbox options. You can select that one. If you have any doubts, you can ask, because we need these two things to move further. Already, it's how 3 people only completed. Huh? Remaining have still issues. Huh?
Jeffrey said, I have any doubt.
What, Raju?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, my voice is audible.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I have a doubt regarding the as per industrial how the companies are working. Now we have installed the JDK 21, JDK 26.
Hmm.
There are different versions 25, 26, 21.
Yeah, we have up to some 26 versions are there. Depends on your company, depends on your project. Whatever they are, which version they are going to use developer, so they will provide that information. Then already company only will provide, right, system. So we have to install those things. Already in companies we have different, we can call it as a IT team. They will install everything. But we should aware all these things. If you want to install manually by ourselves means we should aware these things. So that is
Excuse me,
depends on project, depends on company. They will provide which version they are going to use.
excuse me, sir. I have a
Uh,
doubt, sir.
okay.
Sir, I couldn't find the downloaded Java in PC.
In which one you are getting issue? JDK.
Sir, yes, sir.
So you can click this link here, or you can share your screen. We'll check what is your issue. So here you will get in the this header section, you will get share option.
Sir, I installed in my PC, but in local disk, I can't able to find where is the Java installed version.
Java where it is downloaded, you can't able to find. Yeah, you
I,
can go to downloads. You can see here.
yes,
You can open
installed
this
that.
file. You can
Uh,
double click on this. It will take some time. So for me also you can see, right, I installed, then it is taking some time to load. After that
mm,
only I provided the steps, next, those things. Here we have it. So once you double click on that, it will take some time to open. That it will take to install some time.
I
For example,
installed it.
installed.
Yes, sir. But in local disk,
This,
it was
better if you can share the screen. You can find the issue. And you can check here also, this PC, local disk, program files, then Java. So this is the path already I shared in chat also. So you can see here it is available or not.
can you able to see my screen,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah, we can see your screen.
In my local disk, there are many files.
Program files, open that one.
I can't able to find where is Java.
Go up, just search here. Otherwise, JetBrains you have. Okay. Okay, go to your
I
downloads.
think I think two Java Two program files are there, right? Which one she have?
No, above one only, not that one. Program files you have to. Go to downloads and click again that one. JDK one. It will create automatically. We'll check. Next. Next. Now it is going to download. Once it is completed, then you can check. Close. No need, just close. Close. Now you can go to that local disk. Open program files. Now you can see. Previously it is not installed, I think. Now you can open command prompt. In the search, you can type a command prompt.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, you can add that environment variable also. Then only in command prompt you will get once you are giving that Java -version command. So everyone please complete. We don't have time. Java below. No, enough. From there, just select on the path above. Not that one. Here, JDK 26 0.1 is there. Just click there. Just click. You have to click. It will select or double click. Below you add variable name. Not here. Variable value. Paste here. Control V. Above you can change the name. No. Here which one? You have to change your name. See, I will share my screen. You can see here.
Yes.
Environment variables. Here you can provide, not in the system variables. Here you delete that one. You select whatever you provided, right? Like this, you select and delete. Then you can user variables for Dell. So your system name will be there. User variable for your username. Then here you can use a new variable name is Java_home, capital letters. Then this path you can copy from the file explorer and you can add here. Then okay. So everyone completed, right? I got only few screenshots in the chart. Those who all already completed, open this one, Eclipse. So we are going to write our Java codes in this IDE only. So
Okay,
this,
sir.
yeah, accordingly you can provide. So here I think many people will have doubts how to edit environment variables. Use this one, user variable for this one, and new variable name is Java home value. Yeah, Hasib, you have any doubts? So shall we continue? Everyone completed? Please confirm, or at least you can provide in the chat yes or no. How many of you have pending? No, this 7 to 8:30 class is online class. If you want to join offline, you can join after 9. So people will be there. They will guide you. Whoever is available, they will guide you. So 9 to 6 office will be available. You can go and practice there. So completed, right, everyone? Eclipse. So those who have issues, please raise your hands and resolve your issues. So shall we start then our first coding program? Anyone facing any issue while downloading Eclipse? So don't forget you have to select this option. Eclipse ID for enterprise, Java and web developers. So you can follow these steps. Shall we start then? Once you got this Eclipse, so just that welcome tab, you can close that one. Then here you will get. So this is the Eclipse IDE. After installing, you will get this one. So here, first we are going to create one project. Inside the project, we will have one package. Inside the package, we will create a class. So this IDE we are going to utilize for writing our code. So new, you can see here a
Everyone, please
file.
remember or note down the steps given by sir. Keep notes by handy. It will help for you.
So file new, you can see here Java project is not available means you can go others. Here just type Java project. Then next. So project name you can provide. Here I am providing Java training. So you can select here which environment we are going to utilize. This Java 8 or Java 11 or latest one we can select here also. So whatever inside your you downloaded, you can select that version, no issues. then project name, next. So here by default it will provide a src folder, then finish. So click open perspective. So we'll send you that steps, file, then new project, then select Java project. Here you will get confused, maybe if you are new to this, means new. Here you cannot able to find it. Then you go to others, there you can select. Then once you given Java project, once you select Java project, then next step will be your project name, file, new Java project. So project name you can provide. So project name. Then once you are providing project name, next, finish, just finish. So I'm sharing in the chart. So you can copy and you can follow this. Clear, right, everyone? So you can see here this JRE system libraries. How we got all these libraries? I mentioned, right? We installed that JDK. So all these libraries are providing by that JDK. So this everything developed by that Java team. So few of these packages we are going to utilize based on our requirement. We will utilize these packages. Then next one, how to create a project we given. So here, how to create a class. First, before creating our class, we can create one package. So package name will be the, for example, globalneochain.com. So our company name. So amazon.com, google.com. Reverse of your company domain. com.global neochain. So package name should be everything small letters. And also this your project name finally. So here we created a package. How to create a package? Click on this src folder, right click, new package. We'll send that steps also. And then next one, how to create a class. New class. Right click on this package, new class. Here our first program will be the hello world program. So class name should start with the capital letter and camel case. Camel case means once a new word is going to start, that starting letter will be the first letter will be the capital. Package names everything small letters. Class name should start with the capital letter and camel case. So this is the class. So this is the package. I will send you the steps. So not copy paste all these things. Once you left, I think this chart will not be accessible by you. How to create a package. Right click on. So I am teaching very step by step because few of you already know those things. Few of you don't know. They are new to this. So they also need to learn it. So because of that, everything I am clearly teaching you. Those who already know, maybe you can listen, no problem. Right click on src folder, then new, then package, and then provide the name, package name. Similarly, how to create a class means right click on package, then new class, class name. So just right click a new class, then the class name. Clear it? Then here we are going to print just hello world. So here we have one method called main method. It is the starting point of our Java program. To execute any Java program, we need this main method. Main method is public static void main. Inside we have string args. Then we have this floor brackets. So this is the starting point of our application or Java file. Without this, we cannot execute our Java program. Here just I am providing system.out.println. So inside I am going to provide hello world. So this is our Java first program. So how to execute this means just right click here, just to select. So this mouse hover will be here. Right click here inside the class. So run as a Java application. This is the console. Whatever the inside this is out, it will print here. We will get the output in the console. So this main method
Can you
we will discuss.
remove main method and try to execute run as what will show?
It won't work. Who is that?
Also, why you have provided these quotations to hello world? Is it important?
Which one?
Well, in hello world, you have provided double quotes and it will highlighted like blue color. Why quotations?
So this is required. Inside this, we are providing string value, right? This quotes is required. And also in Java, every statements end with the semicolon.
So it is a string. If we want to write string, we have to give double quotes. Is it?
Yes, yes. That is we will discuss in the upcoming classes.
Oh,
So this is the main method. This is the access modifier. This static also keyword. These are all things we will discuss. This is the void. So void means no return. We will discuss. Main is the method name. This is the parameter, method parameter. So without this main method, Java program won't execute. So I will just share it in the chart. You can just use as a reference. You can do everything manually. Don't copy paste. So I will tell you again. I will explain this one. Those who are new to Java field, they need to aware, right? So already you people know how to create a package and then class. Inside the class, we are going to have this main method, public static void main. Already I provided in the chat. You can refer. Then we have this curly braces. So here also this is the class level curly brace. This is the method level curly brace. So here just we are printing hello world. So how to execute this program? Right click, run as Java application. I will send you that steps also. How to execute a Java program. So without using this IDE, we can develop in the notepad as well. But we have to execute in the command prompt. So we have to save that .java file. That class file should be .java. You can see here .java file. Then we have to go that file path from the command prompt. Then we have to execute that Java compiler command. Java-c compiler. One command is there. That command we have to execute. Then it will compile the program. Then we have to execute a Java space that class name. Then it will provide this output in the command prompt itself. Here only it will provide. So all these stuffs they developed one IDE. Here itself we are doing instead of going that way. So everyone clear, right? Then next I will explain you last topic. Today's our sessions will wind up. I think already 10 minutes delay. So you can see here how Java works step by step. Write the Java program. So here we are writing in Eclipse we written right now, that is one simple Java program. Then compilation. So this compilation will take by that Java compiler. Already we downloaded right JDK. Inside the JDK we have Java compiler. So that will take care. For example, here I am missing this semicolon. You can see here it will provide error. This is who is doing that compiler. System error, insert semicolon. So in Java, every statements end with a semicolon. So this is the compiler. So if you are working in the notepad, you are writing program in the notepad, this compiler won't work. So this IDE, they are providing all these facilities to us. Then if you have any this compilation issues means you will get here logs. Once we execute that Java command, compiler command, then we will get logs. So in this particular line, you have issue, please insert that one. Like that, it will give that message. So next step, compilation and bytecode. That bytecode will convert into. So you can see the diagram. You will easily understand this one. So this is the command that Java C, Java compiler. First, we are writing one hello world file. Then this Java compiler will compile and it will generate. So this is the source code. Whatever we written, that is the source code. This compiler will generates the code into bytecode. So why we need this bytecode means our system, our laptop will not understand this source code. It need that computer language. So by it will convert this into bytecode. Then JVM, we mentioned, right? JVM is the heart of our Java application. So inside this JVM, it will execute. Finally, it will provide the output. So this one, have any doubts up to here? Don't worry, who are new to Java, you can able to understand the upcoming sessions as well. So how to execute Java program? Right click on the, inside the class, inside the class, then you will get run as a Java application. Everyone clear, right? So those who not completed, please connect with others and you can complete your installations. So tomorrow onwards, we are going to work in Eclipse only. So whatever we are providing, you have to practice. Then only you can able to learn. Any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? Then we can wind up our session.
Can you show the flow chart again?
So this is the flow. Once we are writing our source code, so we are writing one Java program, a small Java program we written, hello world program. And then once we written, that Java compiler will compile and it will convert into the bytecode. Then this bytecode will be executed by our JVM. Already we discussed it, right? In the JDK, JVM, JRE. Then finally it will provide that output. This is the very simple steps. I will share you this
Thank you,
PPT.
sir.
I will share you this PPT inside the WhatsApp group. You will have look, no problem. Clear, right? Anyone have any doubts? Please ask. Don't hesitate to ask any doubt, even simple or silly. Be interactive.